it going, everyone? So in this video I will be reacting to Diane and ankudinova. Blizzard, before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So what I do with my reaction videos is I have you click a link in the description box. That way you can watch my reaction and the original video at the same time. It's called Lip and Sync. So I'm starting the video on my end in 3, 2, 1, starting the video. Oh, wow, she can sing. I'm so impressed. Oh, are you kidding me? Wow, just a legend. I'm so impressed. So impressed. Wow. She's killing it. Are you kidding me? Okay, guys, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it.